Very good morning to everyone. This is Arun Giradi, Professor Arun Giradi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today, I want to discuss one of the important and very interesting question in relation with graduate students, outgoing students. So that is nothing but most common questions to be asked in an interview panel. Okay, this is a very interesting one and it is useful to everyone. Okay, please kindly share the video and do subscribe to my channel. Okay, let us go through what are the important questions interviewer likely to be asked in an interview panel. It is the most common questions I am highlighting here. First and foremost important question the interviewer can ask is, tell me something about yourself. This is the most common question. What is that? Tell me something about yourself. Here interviewer want to know the pitch of your answer. Please remember, interviewer want to know the pitch of your answer. He don't want your history, geography like that. Okay, what you are supposed to tell to him, that he expect the main pitch of the answer. For example, your what relevancy is there for that position you are supposed to highlight. For example, any two brief achievements like, sir, I am recently achieving this much, and this one I am achieving, like that. You are highlighting the main pitch or main achievements of you, like, instead of using myself and I am here, my name is X, so that previously I am working this institution or organization, so my achievement is like this, as a sales manager, as a sales officer, as a accounting assistant, like that. So what are your achievements in brief you are supposed to tell. So your answer should be in brief, your answer should be in pitch, and your answer should be in particular. So that is what the tell me something about yourself. If they ask tell me something about yourself, your answer should be stick on to the pitch and stick on to the job and how you are supposed to love your job. That particularly should be there, and briefly 2-3 achievements you are supposed to tell. So this is what the first and foremost important question might be asked in the interview panel. And the second question, how did you hear about this position? How did you hear about this position? For this, your answer should be show your keen interest towards your organization or their organization. Show your keen interest, why you are supposed to interest towards that particular job. And so in that organization, someone will recommend your name. So please mention if there, because in an interview there is a one criteria, that is reference. For that reference is very important. So how did you hear about this position means your answer should be your keen interest towards the company and the person who suggests your name to that particular organization. Please mention the person name. If you mention the person name, if suppose they hire you, that person will also get the benefit. And foremost thing, you should fit in your particular job, what you are supposed to wish. So that particularly consideration. So how did you hear about this position means your answer should be the name of the person to whom he suggests you to particular that organization and your keen interest towards the job. And the third important question might be asked, why do you decide to apply for this position? Why do you decide to apply for this position? This is very important and keen question. If here interviewer want to check you are passionate towards your job, how passionate you are particularly there to do that particular job, then again he might understand that what motivation you are supposed to get to apply for this job. So here the interviewer keen interest is behind the motivation and behind the passionate. So you should stick on your motivation and passionate towards your job. You are supposed to deliver the answer to interviewer that how passionate you are fit to your particular job. So that your answer. Passionate and motivation should be there in your answer. And next important question might be asked, what are your biggest strengths? What are your biggest strength? This is the most common question. Why they are supposed to ask your biggest strength? Because your biggest strength is asset to that company or organization. So that's why strength is very important. Commonly we can say SOC analysis anta kariತೀವಿ ನಾವು. SOC analysis ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ strength, weakness, opportunity and challenges. So that in case strength, they might ask the strength. What are your biggest strength? Here you might concentrate one or two your biggest strength. For example, I am good at new skills. Means I want to learn always new things. I want to work always in a dynamic situation. I want to always work in a new environment, and I want to always work under pressure. These are all strengths, isn't it? Because in an organization or a firm or a company, always pressure is there in a different situations like that. So how you are supposed to work under pressure, that is very important. And interviewer always want to know how you are going to fit for work under pressure. So your keen answer should be, I am good at work under pressure situation. This is one answer. I always want to learn new skills, and I always want to work under new environment. These are all your strengths, isn't it? Next question might be asked, what are your biggest weakness? They know about your strength and they want to know your weakness. Why the interviewer want to know the weakness of a candidate? Because first and foremost thing is, you should have clear mind why you are applying the job, isn't it? Why you are applying the job. Interviewer rightly want to know your self awareness, rightly want to know your passionate, rightly want to know why you are applying the job. So here your answer should not be fake, isn't it? Your answer should be right, true. Even then it is weakness, because the word itself, it is a weakness. So don't show your weakness towards the job. For example, no fake answer is here. Take one example. I am recently graduated. I have a less practical life work experience. This might be one example. I am recently graduate. I am having less practical work experience. Of course this is not a weakness, because you are recently graduated. That is not your mistake. So then interviewer come to know, yes, this person is recently graduated, so we might give him a job, so that his weakness might be converted into strength. That's actually not a weakness. Yes, you are supposed to tell. Another weakness, you should not be fake, isn't it? You should tell that if you give a job, I can work more than what actually required. That may indicate your workaholic situation. You are thinking that they're thinking that you are supposed to workaholic. So that might be the answer. Okay, your weakness should be converted to strength. That is your answer. Your answer should be your weakness converted into strengths. That's what. No fake answer is here. Next question might be asked, what do you know about this organization? What do you know about this organization or company? Your answer should be in brief. For example, sir, recently I come to know that this organization achieve this much profit in a quarterly, not per yearly, in a quarterly. In a magazine there is a one ad about this organization, so that encouraged me to apply for the job. So that interviewer might come to know that you can know something about this organization. That's why always you can search what may be their their balance sheet is showing, what are their recent turnover, what are their recent merger, what are the recent capital, so that you can know. Of course, you can tell in brief, still there is that they might know why and how you are supposed to fit for that particular job. Okay, and most common question and most passionate question they might ask, why we should hire you. This is a very important question. They might ask in what they are supposed to ask, why should we hire you, why should we hire you. The answer should be how you are superior rather than others, or compared to others, how you are superior compared to others, you are supposed to tell. Then how your skill should match to the job, that you can tell. How you are superior to others, that is one answer, how you are superior than others. And second, how your skill match to that particular job. Then how you are going to be going to adopt a new skill to that particular job, how you are going to adopt a new skill to that particular job. Because employee can work under different circumstances and different situations, so you should not stick up to in only work in one environment. Like that, your answer should be, if you give me a job, I can work only here, this area. Not that is not proper answer. If you give a job to me, I can ready to work anywhere, that might be your answer. Then only he is very happy, because you should fit everywhere, you are eligible to work everywhere, so that's why your answer should be there. Why should we hire? The answer is how you are superior, how your skill is matched to that particular job, how you are going to work under different areas, different circumstances. So that might be answer. And next question might be asked, how much salary do you expect? How much salary do you expect? This is the most common question HR manager can ask. If they ask how much salary do you expect, your answer should be not more enthusiastic or more passionate. Your answer should be how much salary fit in to that particular job you can expect. Suppose if you are hiring, if you want a job as an account assistant, you cannot ask more than 10 lakh or 8 lakh, like that. Okay, you should ask to the particular nature of the job. Okay, you should ask the nature of job. First you work, then you earn. First you work, then you earn. Or you can say, first you learn, then you earn. Okay, that might be the conditions. Okay, so these are all questions likely to be asked in an interview. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share the video. Thank you.